All right, this is going to be room 2603, which is going to be an interior cruise on the Disney Magic. Scan the Magic Band, and we'll take a peek here. All right, so when you first walk in here, to the right is going to be some closets. We'll take a look here. Oh, when you open it up, the lights pop on. That's a nice feature. Looks like a ton of hangers. This is going to be the ladder for the bunk bed that we'll have down later. We are going to have a safe. There is a laundry bag, all of the life jackets up top. A couple of storage spaces down here, not super huge if you can see the width of my hand there. See if we can roll this over here. Yeah, again, ton of space to hang up your things. The first door, there are actually two doors here. There's going to be one there and another here. This first one looks like it's going to be our toilet and sink. So we're also going to have some hand soap, some shelf space here, and old school hair dryer. My goodness gracious. It looks like we're going to have some shelving that's going to be over here. Is this a cabinet? This is not a cabinet. Some hand towels. Which means this next one is going to be the bath. So again, we're going to have a sink here. And this is the biggest shower that I've ever seen on a cruise ship. Normally, we're Royal Caribbean fans, and they are pretty small, but you can actually do a bath in here. We've got body wash, conditioner, and shampoo here. But this is the biggest bathroom area that I've ever seen on a cruise ship. And it's nice that it's split, so if someone's using the restroom, someone can still shower. So really nice there. Over here on the left, 4 glasses that are going to be under there, some shelving for some things. We have some drawers here. Looks like these are going to be 3 drawers. Oh no, 2, 3, and 4 drawers. So 4 drawers for storage there. There's going to be some storage underneath this bench. To the right is going to be a couch, which is going to turn into a bed because up here is a pull-down bunk bed. Lovely art, look at that. Second star to the right. Thermostat here. Full-length mirror so you can check out your outfit. Trash can and a little table here. If we flip around here, we're going to have some more storage here. There's going to be a little seat for the vanity area, which is nice. A little bit of stationery here, some postcards. Let's see, is this going to be, yeah, this is going to be our room service for breakfast, which is going to be really nice. More storage over here. There's going to be a hair dryer here, as well as some places to put like hot, like hair straighteners, things like that, anything that would be warm. Some more drawers as well, all the way down to the bottom. And here we do have a beverage cooler, which is very nice. So plenty of space to put a bottle of wine or some snacks or drinks that you've brought with you. We do have a television. Up here, 2 large compartments that are going to be available for you to store some things into kind of the main bedroom area. So this is going to be a queen size bed. Over here we are going to have, looks like just a light switch. A telephone. I'm not seeing any power that's over here. Do have a drawer. Let's see. Sometimes there is USB charging on the side of the phone, but I don't see that for this particular phone. So we'll have to see where all the power is here in just a minute. Top drawer there, middle drawer, and then 2 shelves that are there. I imagine these are going to be extremely similar. That's correct. Yep. Plenty. Actually, more storage than I thought there was going to be. And then over here, a real small section for some storage. I do see some European style outlets, so we might have to go buy a converter because we did not buy a converter for this particular trip. Let's see if we can see all of the power options that we have. So we've got 2 USBs plus 2 US outlets. We've got another one here as well, and then the European style converters, as well as that hair dryer outlet, which is going to be 220 volts. So 1, 2, 3 plus 2 USB. Let's see, there's a 110 here. And is there one in here? Shavers only, 115. So not a ton of power. So just keep that in mind. A lot of things to charge, but overall, like, this is an actual much better room setup than I was expecting. Let me know, are you planning to come on the Disney Magic? We're really excited. Hope that you follow our adventure, so make sure you stay subscribed because we're going to take you on everything that we do here on the cruise ship. So stay tuned. Until next time, we'll see you.